Hi, welcome back to another video. We are going to do a gel polish set today, and I'm going to use one of the gel polishes from the Aimeili set 11 that I swatched last week. I'm going to use number 289, which you can see there what I'm showing you. Nice bright yellow colour, what I would call a normal yellow. So I've popped some tips on my tip stands. Yeah, we're going to go straight in and put some gel polish on these. I'm not going to put any base coat on because, yeah, nobody's going to wear them, so they're just for show. So I'm going to do first coat on camera. You will see me do a few, and then I will show you the second coat as well today. I did put 2 coats on. I could have got away with one, but yeah, I am a 2-coat girl. I'll let you watch this little bit. Okay, that is second coat done. Right, on the supposed ring finger, I'm going to use some of this, which is a clear polish with little black dots in it. It's got on the top of it K19, but on the bottom of the bottle it's got 001, so I'm not quite sure what that's about. But it was from AliExpress, and I've had it years. I've probably had it about 3 years. And it's still okay, so excuse me a second. Peach, come here. My dog's crying on the landing for some reason. Come on. Yes, she's back now. Right, that's going to go in the lamp. It is to cure, and then I'm just going to top coat that. So that now is done, apart from putting something on it. I'm just going to cut out 3 of these. They're like abstract faces and bodies, if you know what I mean. They're the ones what you always get in the little decals that you buy from AliExpress, you know, where you can get goodness knows how many for a couple of quid. So yes, I'm just going to use some of those. I'm going to use the faces anyway, but I'm trying to cut them as small as possible so you get quite near to them. Remember to take the front off this, you know, the clear packing that comes on the front of your decals. If you don't take it off and you put them in water, you've got no chance of getting them off. So always take the clear packing off the front before you start cutting, and definitely before you put it in the water. Okay, once this last one is in the dish, I'm just going to spray them with water. I've tried to leave this as real time as possible so you can see exactly how long they stay in the water with me. Yeah, that one flew upside down, unfortunately. When I sprayed it with the water, it always happens. It either goes upside down or it ends up yeah, flying out the dish. So all I do is I pick them up and I just test them with my 2 fingers to see if they slide around. That one did, so just give it a little dry off and pop it on my stamper. Now people do this all different ways, don't they? Some people put them on the stamper and then put a little bit of water over the back of them, but I like to put them in my dish. Just clean my stamper back off on my lint roller, because obviously there's a tacky layer on those nails, so I don't want to leave it on my stamper. And I'm just sort of putting them sort of midway or 1/3 of the way down, if you know what I mean, on each of those nails. Clear all that up, and then I'm just going to top coat over the top of them just to seal them in, and I'm just going to give them a little bit of a buff off camera, only because I just want to make sure that decal is sealed in, because if I make any mistakes and that, I would rather it be underneath a coat of top coat. And once they are done, I've pulled out this little pack of goodies. I'm just going to take one of the little butterflies out of there, because it is a black and clear one. And then I've got some flowers out, which are sort of medium and small. So butterfly is going to go on this one that we did earlier. I'm just going to pop a little bit of jelly gel on there, pop the butterfly on there. Needed to be jelly gel because it needed to be thicker to hold it in place. Pop that in the lamp for a minute, and then that now is then sorted for now. And on these ones, where the abstract face is, I'm going to actually put some flowers on the edge of it where there's a gap. So I'm sort of playing it by ear as to putting it on, because I'm not quite sure where I'm putting what. So I'm just going to make it up as I go along. And I think at one point I did flick one of the flowers off because I thought it didn't look right. So I'm going to pop that one in the lamp anyway to cure, and then we'll go on to the... Oh, we're going to do this one. Right, this one I'm going to do the flowers at the side. Could have done them at the top, or I could have done them at the side, but I thought I would do them sort of at the side, but coming over the one eye. So once again, I'm sort of deciding what to put where. And now I don't know if this one was the one what I took off again because I thought it was too big. Yeah, it is. So we got rid of that one. I hate things when they don't go the right way up. It drives me nuts. I'm sorry if you can hear the traffic outside. It's getting towards rush hour for the island, if I could call it rush hour. There's not that much traffic, but you do hear it because we're right on the main road, so I do apologise. But once all those are in place anyway, and I think they look alright, then that will go in the lamp. And I think I did the last one off camera. And now I'm just going to put a little tiny bit of that gem gel in the middle, because I need to put the little caviar beads in, which we're using gold ones. They're all the same size, because they actually came with the actual flowers themselves. I'm just pouring a little bit of that gem gel onto my little box just so I can dab inside the flowers with a little bit of that glue. Like I say, I have tried to leave this in real time, so you can see sort of how quick a set it is. I mean, what is it, 12 minutes? Just over 12 minutes. So with the cure time, I think they only took like 20 minutes to do. They were really easy. And these little plastic flowers are great. I need to use them more often really, because I've got loads of them. While I'm doing that, if there's anything you want from Aimeili, please do use my discount code. It is in the description box, and I will flash it up onto the screen as well during this video. So that bit is done. We are going to top coat now. I'm actually top coating with a different top coat. I can't remember what, I nearly said what flavour it was then. Why did I say that? Or why did I say that? What brand it is, I can't remember off the top of my head because I've slept since then. But yeah, it's not an Aimeili brand anyway. So I'm trying not to go over the flowers. I'm just going sort of around the side of them. Oh dear. Losing the plot. Okay, all what's left to do is we're just going to pop some spider gel on the 3 nails that I've got the faces on. So I'm going to go straight across with this one. This spider gel is from Varnail. I have got a Varnail code which is in the description box. I will flash it up on the screen as well. Yeah, take advantage of it because it's quite a huge discount. It is, and yes, I do really like Varnail products. On these ones I'm just going to go at a slant, and the same on the other one as well. So I always find as well with my spider gel, it helps if you heat it up a little bit. Otherwise it can come out very thick and it's not nice when it's like that. Give it a little heat up. I've got like a little heat tool, like a hairdryer type thing, and it does make it nice and smooth and thins it down a little bit. It always helps anyway. But that is the set finished. How quick and easy is that? If you want to order anything, like I say, do take advantage of my discount codes, and I will leave some photos at the end. If you like my video, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe if you've not already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.